Hello, friends. Today we will start with the first chapter in your second book in English literature, Footprints Without Feet. And the name of the chapter is, as you can see on your screen, A Triumph of Surgery. A Triumph of Surgery. Now, first understand the title of the chapter. Now, The Triumph of the Surgery, which is written by James Herriot, is one of the wonderful and interesting chapter. Now, here the question would come to your mind that what is this surgery? Now, surgery here doesn't mean the operation. It's that place where the sick animals are kept. And a triumph of surgery. Triumph means the victory of surgery. Now, it's a story of a dog. His name is Tricky. Now, it's a beautiful name, of course. Now, what is so important of this dog? This dog is what you can say that is overly pampered. उसको बहुत पैम्पर किया जाता था. And the mistress of the dog is very rich. And being rich, so she is always, showing more than concern for her dog. Especially, you will find, जैसे होता ना कि कई बार मामा बच्चों के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा ओवरली लवेबल हो जाती हैं और उनको हमेशा ये लगता है कि मेरा बच्चा कुछ भी नहीं खाता है, जबकि वो बहुत खाता है, पूरी अपनी डाइट लेता है, लेकिन मदर को हमेशा ये लगता है कि वो कम खाता है और वो फिर उसको बोलती है कि बेटा और खा ले, ऐसे कमज़ोर हो जाएगा, और खा ले. और फिर उसको खिलाते खिलाते वो बच्चा मोटा हो जाता है और इतना मोटा हो जाता है कि उससे चला भी नहीं जाता है, बीमार रहने लग जाता है. तो उसकी मदर को लगता है कि ये कम खाता है इसलिए बीमार हो गया, तो उसको और खिलाती है. द सेम स्टोरी, द सेम थीम इज़ in this story. So the small dog is just like the son of this rich mistress. This dog, Tricky, he falls seriously ill and his mistress consult a veterinary surgeon. You know what is veterinary surgeon? Veterinary doctor जो डॉक्टर होते हैं जो जानवरों का इलाज करते हैं. Does he perform an operation? Does the dog recover? Now let us read. I was really worried about Tricky this time. I had pulled up my car when I saw him in the street with his mistress and I was shocked at his appearance. Now, who is I here? Here, I is the doctor. And this doctor, who is the doctor of Tricky. Now, he is the narrator. I was really worried about Tricky this time. I had pulled up my car when I saw him in the street with his mistress and I was shocked at his appearance. देखो यहाँ पे एक्सक्यूज़ मी, यहाँ पे जो राइटर ने जो डॉग है उसको ही, हिज और हिम यूज़ किया है, पर्सोनिफाई किया है. आई सॉ हिम इन द स्ट्रीट विथ हिज मिस्ट्रेस एंड आई वाज शॉक्ड एट हिज अपीयरेंस. व्हाई? ही हैड बिकम ह्यूजली फैट. मुझे आश्चर्य हुआ क्योंकि वो बहुत मोटा हो गया था. लाइक अ ब्लोटेड सॉसेज विथ अ लेग एट ईच corner. His eyes, bloodshot and rheumy, stared straight ahead and his tongue lolled from his jaw. Now, his eyes bloodshot and rheumy. Now, first of all, like a bloated sausage. Bloated sausage का मतलब होता है like जब मीट जो होता है ना, फूला हुआ मीट, तो ऐसे वो इतना मोटा हो गया था. ब्लॉटेड का मतलब फूल गया था. His eyes, और उसकी आंखें, bloodshot, red and rheumy. Rheumy means watery. Stared straight ahead and his tongue lolled from his jaws. और उसकी जो जीभ थी वो उसके jaws से बाहर निकल रही थी. Now, Mrs. Pumphrey. Now, this Pumphrey is the owner, the mistress of this dog named Tricky. Hastened to explain. He was so listless, Mr. Herriot. Doctor name is Herriot. He seemed to have no energy. I thought he must be suffering from malnutrition. Still, she is saying that he is suffering from malnutrition. Why malnutrition? Because if he is not moving, if he is not full of energy, she thought that it must be because he is not eating enough. So I have been giving him some little extra between meals to build him up. इसलिए मील्स के बीच में भी मैं उसको खिलाती हूँ ना. इमेजिन द थिंग दैट इज़ हार्मिंग the dog. She is doing the same thing. She is giving her more and more food, some malt and cod liver oil. Now, cod liver oil, what is known as the fish oil, and a bowl of Horlicks at night to make him sleep. Nothing much really. अब इतना खिलाने के बाद भी वो बोलती है कि कोई बहुत ज़्यादा मैं नहीं खिलाती हूँ. And did you cut down on the sweet things as I told you? तो डॉक्टर बोलता है कि तुमने इसको मीठा खिलाना बंद किया कि नहीं किया. Oh, I did for a bit, but it seems to be so weak. I had to relent. He does love cream cakes and chocolates. I can't bear to refuse him. And what he's saying, ki, I asked you to cut down the sweet thing. Did you abide my advice? Saying, no, because he is feeling so weak. So I started giving him the cakes and the chocolates. And I can't refuse him. I looked down again at the little dog. That was the trouble. Tricky's only fault was greed. He had never been known to refuse food. And, you know, even if when we are not hungry and when you started eating more and more, so, when your stomach expands and, when your girth expand, it need more food. More food means more expansion and you fall in the vicious cycle. So this dog is not able to refuse, so he can eat anything that is given to him. And that was the real trouble. He had never been known to refuse food. He would tackle meal at any hour of the day or night. Tackle the meal means वो किसी भी वक्त कोई भी खाना खा सकता है. And I wondered about all things Mrs. Fumfairy hadn't mentioned. And I know Mrs. Fumfairy because I would get angry. I would shout as a doctor that you are not abiding by my advice. So I knew that Mrs. Fumfairy is not giving the 100% information. Are you giving him plenty of exercise? I asked. Well, he has a little walks with me, as you can see. But Hodkin, the gardener, had been doing with lumbago, so there has been no ring throwing lately. So, as far as the exercise is concerned, a very little walk. As my gardener gone to lumbago, so there is no play, the ring throwing for the dogs. I try to sound severe. Severe means hard. Please turn the page. I tried to sound severe. Now, I really mean this. If you don't cut his food right down and give him more exercise, he is going to be really ill. You must harden your heart and keep him on a very strict diet. So this is obviously a very natural advice that would come from the doctor, that you have to make your heart stronger and you have to keep a very strict diet schedule. Mrs. Fumfairy wrung her hands. Oh, I will. Mr. Harriot, I'm sure you're right, but it is so difficult, so very difficult. She set off, head down along the road as if determined to put the new regime into practice immediately. I watched their progress with growing concern. Tricky was tottering along in his little tweed coat. He had a whole wardrobe of these coats for the cold weather and a raincoat for the wet days. He struggled on, drooping in his harness. I thought it wouldn't be long before I heard from Mrs. Fumfairy. And as I was watching the progress, Tricky was tottering along in his little tweed coat. Now, tottering, like trying to walk steadfast, straight, but along in his little tweed coat. Now, this tweed coat, it's a kind of a woolen coat जो इंसान लोग पहनते हैं. तो that shows that Mrs. Fumfairy take care of her dog like a human being. He had a whole wardrobe of these coats for the cold weather and a raincoat for the wet days. He struggled on, drooping in his harness. I thought it would be long before I heard from Mrs. Pumphrey. So I knew that she won't abide by the advice, and I expect that she would call me soon. And it happened. The expected call came within a few days. Mrs. Pumphrey was distraught. बहुत ज़्यादा परेशान थी मिसेस फम्फेरी. ट्रिकी वुड ईट नथिंग, क्योंकि वो कुछ नहीं खा रहा था. डॉग जो था वो कुछ भी नहीं खा रहा था. रिफ्यूज इवन हिज फेवरेट डिशेस एंड बिसाइड ही हैज़ बाउट्स ऑफ वॉमिटिंग. ना तो कुछ खा रहा था, उसकी फेवरेट डिश भी नहीं खा रहा था, और बार बार उल्टी कर रहा था. ही स्पेंट ऑल हिज टाइम लाइंग ऑन अ रॉक panting, हाफना. डिडेंट वॉन्ट टू गो फॉर वॉक्स, डिडेंट वॉन्ट टू डू एनीथिंग. जैसे बीमार हो जाते हैं तो फिर कुछ भी काम करने का मन नहीं होता है, वैसा ही उसके साथ हो रहा था. आई हैड मेड माई प्लान्स इन एडवांस. द ओनली वे टू गेट ट्रिकी आउट ऑफ द हाउस फॉर अ पीरियड. आई सजेस्टेड दैट ही बी hospitalized for about a fortnight to be kept under observation. fortnight 15 दिन के लिए इसको मुझे अपने हॉस्पिटल में भर्ती करना पड़ेगा. और ये डॉक्टर जानबूझ के कर रहा है क्योंकि उसको पता है मिसेस पम्फेरी वो जो एडवाइस उसको देना चाहते हैं वो उसको नहीं मानेंगी, बिकॉज उनकी जो इंटेलिजेंस है उस पर इमोशंस के क्लाउड्स छाए हुए हैं. तो वो डॉग मर जाएगा लेकिन वो उसको बिना खिलाए नहीं मानेंगी. तो डॉक्टर ने डिसाइड किया कि चलो इसको मैं अपने हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट कर देता हूँ. द पुअर लेडी ऑलमोस्ट सून, जैसे एकदम से पागलपन का दौरा पड़ता है ना. शी वॉज श्योर ही वुड पुट पाइन एंड डाई इफ़ ही डिड नॉट सी हर एवरी डे. उसको ये भी था कि वो मर जाएगा अगर उसने मिसेस पम्फरी को नहीं देखा. बट आई टुक अ फर्म लाइन. Tricky was very ill, and this was the only way to save him. In fact, I thought it best to take him without delay, and followed by Mrs. Pumphrey's wailing, I marched out to the car carrying the little door wrapped in a blanket. The entire staff was roused, and the maids rushed in and out, bringing his his night bed, his night bed, favorite cushions, toys, and rubber ring, breakfast bowl, lunch bowl, supper bowl. Realizing that my car would never hold all this stuff, I started to drive away. As I moved off, Mrs. Pumphrey, with a this despairing cry, threw an armful of the little coats through the window. I looked in the mirror before I turned the corner of the drive. Everybody was in tears. Out on the road, I glanced down at the pathetic little animal gasping on the seat by my side. I patted the head, and Tricky made a brave effort to wag his tail. Poor old lad, I said. You haven't a kick in you, but I think I know a cure for you. Now, you can imagine this is a very funny situation going at the home of Mrs. Pumphrey. And when doctor said that this dog needed to be hospitalized, the entire of the staff and the maids, they come out with the belongings of this dog Tricky, the day bed, the night bed, the cushions, the toys, the bowls, lunch bowl, supper bowl, and forgetting that the dog is going to the hospital, and that too in the animal hospital where all the things needed and required by the animals are already kept. But still, so you can understand the emotion of this lady. जैसे होता है ना, जब आप कहीं बाहर जाते हो, दूसरे शहर में जाते हो, तो आपकी मम्मा आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें पैक करके देती है कि बेटा ये भी लेके जाओ, ये भी लेके जाओ, ये खाना भी रख लो साथ के अंदर, ये भी काम में आएगा. सो जस्ट लाइक द मदर blind in emotion. Out on the road, I glanced down at the pathetic little animal. On the seat by my side, I patted the head, and Tricky made a brave effort to wag his tail. मैं उसको थपथपाया तो उसने अपनी पूंछ हिलाई. Poor old lad, you haven't a kick in you. तुम में बिल्कुल दम नहीं है, but I know that you would be all right. At the surgery, the hospital, the household dog surged around me. Tricky looked down at the noisy pack with dull eyes, and when put down, lay motionless on the carpet. The other dogs, after sniffing around him for a few seconds, decided he was an uninteresting object and ignored him. तो बाकी जो डॉग्स उसकी डॉक्टर के घर में थे वो आए, लेकिन ट्रिकी ने कोई रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं दिया, वो चुपचाप बैठा रहा. देन द डॉग्स दे फाउंड हिम अनइंटरेस्टिंग एंड गॉन. I made up a bed for him in a warm, loose box near to one where the other dogs slept. For 2 days, I kept an eye on him, giving him no food but plenty of water. At the end of the second day, he started to show some interest in his surrounding, and on the third, he began to whimper when he heard the dogs in the yard. तो देखो 2 दिन तो वो कुछ भी नहीं खाता था, चुपचाप रहता था, एक ही जगह बैठा रहता था. लेकिन जब डॉक्टर ने 2 दिन तक उसको कुछ भी नहीं दिया, सिर्फ पानी पिलाया, तो थर्ड डे उसको थोड़ा अच्छा लगने लगा, वो इंटरेस्ट लेने लगा अपनी सराउंडिंग्स में. व्हेन आई ओपन द डोर, ट्रिकी trotted out and was immediately engulfed by Joy, the greyhound, and his friend. After rolling him over and thoroughly inspecting him, the dogs moved off the garden. Tricky followed them, rolling slightly with his surplus fat. और अभी जब उसको बॉक्स से निकाला तो वो एकदम से भाग के बाकी डॉग्स में गया, और उन बाकी डॉग्स ने उसको इंस्पेक्ट किया, और फिर वो सब गार्डन में चले गए. लेटर दैट डे आई वॉज प्रेजेंट एट फीडिंग टाइम. I watched while Tristan sloped the food into the bowl. So this helper put the food in the bowls. There was unusual headlong rush followed by the sound of high-speed eating. और सब जैसे ही खाना आया तो सब उसको की तरफ भागने लगे. Every dog knew that if he fell behind the other, he was liable to have some competition for the last part of his meal. और हर एक को अपने शेयर के लिए स्ट्रगल करना था. When they had finished, please turn the page number 4. When they had finished, Tricky took a walk around the shining bowls, licking casually inside one or two of them. That shows now he is really hungry. And जो बचा हुआ था वो Tricky खाने लगा. Next day, an extra bowl was put out for him, and I was pleased to see him jostling his way towards it. और नेक्स्ट डे मैंने एक उसके लिए अलग बाउल रखा, एंड ही वॉज गोइंग फॉर इट, एंड दैट शोज दैट ही इज़ इम्प्रूविंग. फ्रॉम देन ऑन हिज प्रोग्रेस वॉज रैपिड. He had no medicinal treatment of any kind, but all day he ran about with the dogs, joining in their friendly scrimmages. He discovered the joy of being bowled. He discovered the joy of being bowled over, trampled on, and squashed every few minutes. Now, when you look at the improvement, how this dog is improving, so you can say that when he's saying joining in their friendly scrimmage, scrimmage, इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ फाइट. तो डॉग्स जो फाइट होती है, फ्रेंडली फाइट होती है ना, एक दूसरे से जो लड़ते हैं, एंड उछलना कूदना, वो सारा काम कर रहा था. ही बिकम एन एक्सेप्टेड मेंबर ऑफ द गैंग. नाउ गैंग इज़ नॉट जो गैंगस्टर वाला नहीं, डॉग का गैंग, और ये भी उसका मेंबर बन गया. एन अनलाइकली सिल्की लिटिल ऑब्जेक्ट अमॉन्ग द शैगी क्रू, फाइटिंग फॉर अ टाइगर फॉर अ शेयर एट मील टाइम, एंड हंटिंग रैट्स इन द ओल्ड hen हाउस एट नाइट. He had never had such a time in his life. तो जैसे एक डॉग की लाइफ में होना चाहिए ना, वो चूहों के पीछे भी भागता है और नेचुरल एनवायरनमेंट में खेलता है बाकी डॉग्स के साथ. तो he is now very happy in the natural life. All the while, Mrs. Famfrey hovered anxiously in the background, ringing a dozen times a day for the latest bulletin. अब मिसेस फम्फरी तो वो मदर हैं, और मदर होने की वजह से उनको बहुत टेंशन रहती है, और वो बार बार एक दिन में डजन टाइम फ़ोन करती है. I asked the question about whether his cushions were being turned regularly or his correct coat worn according to the weather, but I was able to tell her that little fellow was out of danger and convalescing rapidly, improving rapidly. And the word convalescing seemed to do something to Mrs. Famfrey. She started to bring round fresh eggs, 2 dozens at a time, to build up Tricky's strength. और जैसे ही कहा कि डॉग इम्प्रूव कर रहा है, मिसेस फम्फ्री रोज 2 डजन अंडे बेचती हैं For a happy period, my partner and I had 2 eggs each for breakfast. But when the bottles of the wine began to arrive, the real possibilities of the situation began to dawn on the household. और फिर बाद में तो जब अपने डॉग को पिलाने के लिए वाइन की बॉटल भी भेजने लगी, वो अकेला डॉग इतना नहीं ले सकता, तो हम सब लोग ही काम में लेते थे. सो वी एन्जॉयड एवरीथिंग दैट मिसेस फम्फरी sent for the dog. It was to enrich Tricky's blood. Lunch became a ceremonial occasion with 2 glasses of wine before us, several during the meal. और अब हम लोग जो लंच हैं वो भी जो करते हैं तो उसके अंदर इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ सेरेमनी, रोज पार्टी होती है. अब जो वो भेजती हैं वो डॉक्टर उनको तो देते नहीं हैं, डॉग को नहीं देते हैं, तो वो क्या करते हैं, वो खुद ही आपस में खाते पीते हैं. हाउ कुड नाउ नेक्स्ट पेज नंबर 5. वी कुड हार्डली बिलीव इट व्हेन द ब्रांडी came to put a final edge on Tricky's constitution. Brandy is also a kind of alcohol. For a few nights, the fine spirit was rolled around, inhaled, and reverently drunk. These were the days of deep content, starting well with the extra egg in the morning, improved and sustained by the midday wine, and finishing luxuriously around the fire with the brandy. It was a temptation to keep Tricky on as a permanent गेस्ट. मन तो करता है कि ट्रिकी को हम परमानेंट गेस्ट बना लें, क्योंकि अभी रोज़ पार्टी होती है. बट आई न्यू मिसेस फम्फरी वॉज सफरिंग एंड आफ्टर अ fortnight felt compelled to phone and tell her that the little dog had recovered and was awaiting collection. लेकिन मुझे पता है मिसेस फम्फरी बहुत सफ़र कर रही हैं अपने डॉग के बगैर, तो मुझे 15 दिन के बाद मजबूरन उनको फ़ोन करना पड़ा और उनको कहना पड़ा कि आप अपने डॉग को अब ले जाइए, वो ठीक है. Within minutes, about 30 feet of gleaming black metal drew up outside the surgery. बड़ी सी कार बाहर आके रुकी. The chauffeur opened the door and I could just make out the figure of Mrs. Fumfrey, almost lost in the interior. और chauffeur ने डोर खोला और Mrs. Fumfrey, her hands were tightly clasped in front of her. Her lips trembled. Oh, Mr. Harriot, do tell me the truth. Is he really better? She's so excited. She wanted to know if her dog is really fine. Yes, he's fine. There is no need for you to get out of the car. I will go and fetch him. आप अंदर ही बैठे, मैं उससे लेके आता हूँ. I walked through the house into the garden. A mass of dogs were hurtling round and round the lawn. And in the midst, ears flapping, tail waving, was the little golden figure of Tricky. सब dogs के साथ Tricky वहाँ पे था. In 2 weeks, he had been transformed into a lithe, hard-muscled animal. He was keeping up well with the pack, stretching out in the great bounds, his chest almost brushing the ground. I carried him back. तो अभी ऐसा तो नहीं है कि वो पूरी तरह से पतला हो गया, लेकिन काफ़ी सही हो गया और उसमें एनर्जी आ गई. आई कैरिड हिम बैक अलॉन्ग द पैसेज टू द फ्रंट ऑफ द डोर. और मैं उसको लेके आया बाहर. द शोफर वॉज स्टिल होल्डिंग द कार डोर ओपन. और जो शोफर था वो अभी भी दरवाज़ा खोले हुए था. अंदर मिसेस फम्फेरी बैठी हुई थी. व्हेन ट्रिकी सॉ हिज मिस्ट्रेस ही टुक ऑफ फ्रॉम माई आर्म्स. और जैसे ही उसने अपनी मिस्ट्रेस को देखा, वो मेरी आर्म से कूद गया. इन द ट्रेमेंडस लीप एंड सेल्ड इनटू मिसेस फम्फेरीज लैप. और कूद के वो मिसेस फम्फेरी की गोद में चला गया. शी गेव अ स्टार्टल्ड. और वो एकदम से आश्चर्यचकित हो गई, चौंक गई. ओह, एंड देन हैड टू डिफेंड हरसेल्फ एज ही स्वाम्ड ओवर हर, लिकिंग हर फेस एंड बार्किंग the way the dogs they show their love. So he just hugged over her, licking her face and barking. During the excitement, I helped the chauffeur to bring out the beds, toys, cushions, coat, bowls. ये सब वो डॉक्टर लेके आया और इनमें से किसी भी चीज़ की डॉक्टर को ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी थी. None of which had been used. As the car moved away, leaned, Mrs. Fumferry leaned out of the windows, tears shone in her eyes, her lips trembled. Seeing after 15 days, she got so emotional that the tears rolled down from her eyes and her lips were trembling. The doctor said, "Oh, Mr. Herriot," she cried, "how can I ever thank you? This is a triumph of surgery. This is a triumph of surgery. Surgery, the place where this dog was treated, a place where a doctor or a dentist or a veterinary surgeon treats the patient." Now that finishes the chapter. It's a very, though it's a very simple chapter, but uh, the language is very interesting, and you can understand that how the overdose of love can harm not only the human beings but also the animals. Now I request you to please do your question and answers. Probably we will discuss the question and answers of this chapter and the chapter of another book in the next class. Thank you very much.